Sri Lanka, a small island in the Indian Ocean, but a world full of wonders. From golden beaches to misty mountains, from ancient kingdoms to wild jungles, this country feels like a living postcard. Today we are going to explore the most breathtaking places in Sri Lanka, a journey that will make you want to pack your bags immediately. Our journey begins at Mirissa Beach, one of the most beautiful coastal destinations in Sri Lanka. Imagine soft golden sand under your feet, the sound of gentle waves, and the endless blue ocean stretching into the horizon. Mirissa is not just a beach, it's an experience. Here, you can enjoy whale-watching tours in the deep ocean, stunning sunset, views that paint the sky orange and pink, peaceful beach walks under palm trees. It's the perfect place to relax and feel completely free. Next, we travel to one of the greatest historical treasures in the world, Sigiriya Rock Fortress. Rising nearly 200 meters above the ground, this massive rock was once a royal palace built by King Kashyapa. As you climb the ancient stairs carved into the rock, you pass beautiful frescoes, mirror walls, and ancient ruins that tell stories from over 1,500 years ago. At the top, you are rewarded with a breathtaking view of forests and ancient landscapes stretching endlessly. It is no wonder Sigiriya is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Now we move to the lush green hills of Yala. Yala is a dream destination for nature lovers. Here, mist-covered mountains meet endless tea plantations. One of the most famous attractions is the Nine Arches Bridge, a beautiful colonial-era railway bridge surrounded by jungle. You can also enjoy scenic train rides, often considered one of the most beautiful train journeys in the world. Yala is not just a place, it's a feeling of peace and freedom. Our next stop is Nuwara Eliya, often called Little England. Why? Because of its cool climate, colonial architecture, and beautifully maintained gardens. Walking through Nuwara Eliya feels like stepping into a different era. You will see green tea estates everywhere, mist-covered hills, British-style houses and gardens. It's one of the most peaceful and refreshing places in Sri Lanka. Now we enter the wild side of Sri Lanka at Yala National Park. This is one of the best places in the world to see leopards in their natural habitat. As you go on a safari jeep ride, you might spot elephants walking freely, crocodiles near water lakes, colorful birds flying across the sky. Yala is pure wilderness, unpredictable and full of life. Finally, we arrive at Unawatuna Beach. This beach is known for its calm waters and relaxed atmosphere. It's perfect for swimming safely, snorkeling, and diving. Enjoying beach cafes with ocean views, Unawatuna is the perfect ending to an unforgettable journey. Sri Lanka is more than just a travel destination. It's a place where nature, history, and culture come together in perfect harmony. Whether you are exploring ancient ruins, walking on sandy beaches, or watching wildlife in the jungle, every moment here feels magical. If there is one place that truly deserves to be on your travel bucket list, it is Sri Lanka.